Welcome to my channel. In this video we are learning about volume of a cuboid. Cuboid means it has got 6 faces. Cuboids have 12 edges. Cuboids have 8 corners. Cuboids are three-dimensional. So they are three-dimensional figures. Imagine that as a block of wood or a block of cheese. So that side over here, that edge, we'll call it the length, and this way over here we'll call it the width, and that way up to where the cross-sectional area is going up to, we'll call it the height. So the best way is to look at an example, but first thing is the formula. How do we find the volume of a cube or a cuboid? So the volume of a cube or a cuboid would be length times the width times the height. That is the important formula. Length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So you multiply the dimensions. Now let's look at an example. So the question is, find the volume of this cuboid. So the question is, what is the volume of this cuboid? So volume equals length times width times the height. So the length would be, you take the cross-sectional area and see the longer side. So the length over here would be 5. Multiplied by width of the cross-sectional area is 3. So 5 times 3, and then multiplied by up to which height the shape goes on to. So that way it is 4. So 5 times 3 multiplied by 4. So since we are multiplying, you can take 2 at a time. 5 times 3 would be 15, and then 15 multiplied by 4. So 15 multiplied by 4 is going to give you 60. So the volume of this particular cuboid is equal to 60. And don't forget the units. So since this is in centimeters, the volume will be in centimeters cubic, centimeters cubed. If it was area, it would be in centimeters squared, but volume would be in cubic units, cm3, cm cubed. So I hope you've learned about finding the volume of cubes and cuboids, and you've learned a bit about the structure, the three-dimensional structure of cuboids. So cuboids are three-dimensional. Cuboids have 6 faces. Cuboids have 12 edges. Cuboids have 8 corners. Corners means the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's another one underneath, behind. So there will be a total of 8. And the edges means 1, 2, 3, 4, and there'll be 4 at the back, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 4 that connect, 9, 10, 11, and then one more, 12. Probably I can do a dotted line that goes this way, and then a dotted line down, and then that way. So suppose if that block was transparent, like a block of glass, then you can clearly see the vertex and the edges and the faces. So it has 6 faces, one from the front, one from the back, one from the top, one from the bottom, one from the right hand side, one from the left hand side. Three-dimensional objects. So hope this video was worthwhile watching. Thanks for your time for watching this video.